Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an inside door handle on your GMC Sierra. First, let's get ready. You'll need a few basic tools, including a flat blade screwdriver, a 7mm socket, and a 10mm socket, along with a ratchet and extension. A trim removal tool is also very helpful for safely prying off panels. Make sure you have the right replacement handle for your specific Sierra model before you begin. Now, let's remove the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off any trim bezels and the window switch using a flat blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Disconnect any electrical connectors. Next, locate and remove the 7mm bolts holding the door panel in place, typically behind the door pull and at the bottom corner. Once the bolts are out, lift the door panel up and off, then disconnect any remaining wiring harnesses. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. First, attach the new handle assembly, securing it with the 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect the door handle rod by snapping its clip into place. Then, reattach all electrical connectors to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel and push it back into position, ensuring all clips engage properly. Reinstall the 7mm bolts and any trim pieces. After installation, perform a thorough check. Open and close the door multiple times, testing the new handle to ensure it operates smoothly and consistently. Also, confirm that the door locks and unlocks correctly from both the inside and outside. This ensures everything is functioning as it should. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth*, as well as other helpful deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was useful.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.